What's up, YouTube? I decided to try a vlog out. I've never really done one. I'll probably post an animal video today too, so don't worry. This ain't the only video you're gonna see is my ugly face, but yeah, there's my little sister. But yeah, it's hard to do a vlog with a phone. Gunner, you wanna be in the vlog? Gunner, where'd you go? Gunner! Be in my vlog, hey buddy! We're about to feed our animals and stuff. But I just wanted to do a quick vlog talking about just like what my plans are for, let's say, next year for my channel. I'm not going to change. Okay, we don't want to show the house. Not going to change too much. Like, my content generally is going to be the same. But we're going to have some new things and better quality. Because December 2nd, which is about 4 months away, I get my job. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Your birthday, we'll get some money.
I get some money. And what am I going to do with that money? I'm going to buy me a camcorder, buy me a laptop, and then a GoPro. And yes, my nail did come off. I know it's gross, but there's the barn. Okay. But yeah, I have lots of plans for... Alright, I'm climbing a fence. Oh, hey guys. I have a few plans and video ideas. Like, one of my ideas are going to be like fishing videos with a GoPro. I would love to do that. I don't know about the hunting videos. I was thinking about doing that, but you know, I'll probably get... I'm trying to vlog ducks. Yeah. I'll probably get age restricted with the hunting vlog. But we might do GoPro videos of like the ducks, fishing, and swimming. I think that would be really cool. But yeah, so... Right in the middle of my vlog. But yeah, like I said, I plan to get some camera. A camera, not some. I don't need more than one. Maybe if one turns off. Actually, I am getting more than one. GoPro's a camcorder too. So, I do plan to get my camcorder, my laptop, and a GoPro. So yeah, this is just a little vlog, because...
Do you not like cats? Oh, maybe? Man, not a chicken in the same thing. Maybe that might you. I don't want to really just flaunt the chicken in there. Just here we go. Because that chicken did what I eat.
Alright, let's leave it.
No, we don't. I don't want to feel like I'm not chicken.
Yeah, but if you ever want like longer vlogs around the farm or just more vlogs, just tell me. Comments down below. This was just kind of a test run. So yeah, I do have a lot of plans for the future of my channel, but I'm not changing content wise, but quality wise, I'm just saying it's alright. I'm just saying quality wise, be ready. Right, Gunner? Gunner, you gotta be in my vlog. Oh! Gunner! Okay, okay. Oh, God. So he just knocked me down? Yeah, but you see my barn in the background? Maybe that can be the thumbnail.
I want my hand on. Oh, he let the cow poop.
Don't lick cow poop,
No.
Gunner. Alright, so that was just a vlog, a short vlog. I might post a duck update, show you how dirty they already have the pool. Hope you enjoyed this short little vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you. Peace.